All right, so this video is to show you how to easily organize your VAs and all of the information and files you want to give them, like passwords, that kind of thing. So we go into Google Drive. I'll put a link to this in the unit. Go to Google Drive, check the right Gmail. So obviously it'll be a lot easier to contain all of your virtual assistants in the same Gmail. And you might end up using your Gmail a lot more often. So I always used to kind of use Excel, Microsoft Word for everything, have a folder on my desktop with all those for my dropshipping stuff. But as I started using Google Drive purely for the VAs because it seemed like a really easy way to manage everything, manage folders and files, and share it with the VAs online, send them the links. So you might end up quite liking Google Drive, as I have. So first, let's make a folder. So obviously right click, new folder, call it whatever you want, Virtual Assistants. All right. So go in here. So let's say, virtual assistant, let's call one Joe, just made that up. Let's call another virtual assistant. This girl's name, Sarah. All right. So, okay. So, all right. So this is where we we'll put Joe's stuff. So, for example, currently I've got one VA doing my customer service on eBay. She has access to my eBay account and password, my Amazon accounts and passwords, my email addresses, my Sellfreaks account and password, all sorts of other stuff. But this one, I've got another one who only does, she lists things from Zeek Analytics for me onto Sellfreaks. So that one, I don't want her having my eBay password, my Amazon password, my email password, or even my Sellfreaks password. So I've got separate files for them. This one, she's got the seller list, doesn't need it in this one, that kind of thing. So let's see. So what we're going to do, we're going to share this one. We're going to give Joe access. So let's say, first I'm going to ask Joe for his email address, his Gmail. And let's put it, let's Joe123 gmail.com. Bang. So that's that. Doesn't have a Google account. Doesn't have a Google account. Well, all right. Maybe that's not the best example. Well, it's fine. Send the link. Exactly. Okay. Advanced. So yeah, then we can. Okay, so it's actually gone because he doesn't exist. But so now he's got access to it, and this person can't access this one because I haven't entered her Gmail. Joe can access it because I've entered his Gmail. And so what we can do, so I can copy the link, or I can click get shareable link, and then I talk to all my VAs on Facebook Messenger, so I can just go and paste the link. Bang. And then now Joe's got the link. And then let's see, so I can right click Google Docs. This is basically the equivalent of Microsoft Word. So, for example, links and logins. Actually, no, I wouldn't actually do that. I always have that on the Excel version, Google Sheets. Okay. So, okay. Links and logins. So, for example, I could do eBay. Then I'd have whatever, user ID 2019, user ID, that's fine as well. I'll put like whatever, username, password. Put that here actually, paste, email, put whatever the email is, whatever.com, whatever, password 111, something like that. So then whatever, you can put your sale freaks. So I think you get the gist of it. Sale freaks email there, username, they're actually the same as sale freaks. Then your password, whatever. Oh yeah, also I do a link, have them access it easier. .ebay.co.uk. Then obviously don't have sale freaks 1 2. So that's it really. And what's also really good about the Google Drives is that you don't have to click save anywhere. You can just turn off and it's done. So it should have the stuff saved here. Hello. I said you should have the stuff saved here. What the fuck? It's very strange. That's very strange. Okay, it looks like it's here now. It just took a little second or two. Okay, great. Links and logins. Oh, not that one. Come on, mates. So then go backwards, click that. Okay. So let's say, for example, so with this Sarah girl, we'll have to add her. So we'll do that share. Add her email as well, give her access. Let's say we also want Sarah to be able to log in. So we can make a copy, log into the eBay, make a copy of that. And then we can move that to Sarah. Let's move that there. Okay. Great. So that's it for now, pretty easy. So end that one there. Google Drive, it's great. You'll learn to love it, I'm sure, as I've done.